Sandra, and with my 5 years of experience in the commercial construction industry, I'm here today to help you make the best choices for your projects. So what are the design considerations for incorporating access panels in high traffic areas? You'll want to choose a durable material, secure locking systems, and a finish that can withstand a lot of wear and tear, all while maintaining an aesthetic appeal. A perfect example of this is the BA-UAP-DF Universal Access Panel with mud-in flange. This model is designed specifically for high traffic areas, offering both durability and security to ensure a long-lasting performance. So what makes the BA-UAP-DF ideal for high traffic areas? First, its durable construction is built to handle constant use without compromising security. The option to add a secure lock ensures the door remains closed even in busy environments. And let's not forget the importance of aesthetic. This door features a finish that not only resists wear and tear, but also blends seamlessly with your building's design. Now, let's cover the installation process for the BA-UAP-DF. Step 1. Prepare the wall opening to the door size specifications. Step 2. Secure the frame with screws. Step 3. Apply drywall compound over the beaded flange. Step 4. Sand smoothly and paint to finish. Step 5. Finally, check for a smooth operation of the door. Access panels like the BA-UAP-DF are essential for maintaining both function and form in high traffic areas. They provide secure access while ensuring that your building retains its aesthetic appeal. For more details or to find the right access panels for your projects, call us now at 1-888-703-3615 or visit our website at www.bestaccessdoors.com. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to optimize your commercial buildings. If you have any questions or experiences to share, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.